Alright guys, this is it. I am down already. Our journey have ended here. I just want to say, stay active guys. Stay active. You see these guys are running there. You see them? Look, I'll show it. Stay active, yeah? Don't lose yourself. You have to stay active, because this is it. Men have to be strong, you know. Look at this guy. Look at this view. It's a frog there. Frog. Forgive me guys for my English, but you know, speaking, talking to somebody, it's a talent. So you have to speak. Talent, if you don't use it, you lose it. Speak to people, meet them just here. I ask them where are they from, their names, how they are doing. Just speaking to them, you know. So yeah, I finished my bottle, put it there. Make sure keep it clean. See these guys here? I'll show you this place. It's called the Old Souk, the Old Souk, which is the Souk al-Qadim in Arabic. It's a really nice place. One day I'll film with you guys there, inshallah. Look, I'm down. In front of me here, it's the view by the wave. It's a restaurant, the famous restaurant in Khorfakkan, called the View by the Wave. Look at that. This is really nice view there. Yeah. They also have this light. You see it here. This is it, guys. The end. You see, this is a mountain. I have to go back now. I have to come back running, you know. This is the end, huh? Alright guys. Bye bye.